Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new, thanks for stopping in. I am the GM man. That noise behind me is actually the truck we've been calling Project 79. It's my 1979 GMC Sierra Grande. We have been working on it for the past, it's been over a year that I've owned it, but we've been working on it probably 8 months now. It's been at LS Customs, my buddy's shop. Here it is, finally outside. We are getting ready to take it for the first test drive ever. There's still little things he's got to do. He's going to put some shims underneath the rear axle back there to kind of raise up the back of the bed, because right now the front sits a little bit lower. But we're going to take it down the road. I'll probably have Chad drive it so I can record and get like sound quality video and stuff like that for you guys. But it is finally out. I'm going to get ready to take it down the road. Still needs floor pans and stuff like that, but that's the least of my worries right now. We're going to take it down the road, so stay tuned, guys. There you go, guys. I hope you can see me all right. I know it's a little dark, but we are leaving Chad's first drive ever of that truck since 2013 when it was parked. I want to thank Chad again, LS Customs, for helping me out. He was there every step. I mean, from the motor to helping me with the tranny to doing the lift kit, the wheels and tires, just kind of helping me along, teaching me some things here and there and stuff. But thank you again, Chad. I appreciate it. But I'm glad I'll be getting that thing home again. Actually be able to drive it. I just got to get insurance put on it. I already have the plate for it. It's actually behind me in the seat. Get the plate put on it, get insurance put on it, and then put the front end or the grill and stuff back together. And I believe that's about it. I want to take that rear bumper off because it's hideous, and then rework the headache rack, but that probably won't be till well, this spring maybe. It might be this summer before I can get to it. I got a lot of stuff going on vehicle wise in the shop, and then just trying to get the new shop put up. I don't have a whole lot of time to be working on my own stuff. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the first ever drive of the Project 79 since 2013. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely be a lot more videos coming of it, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned, guys. Remember, I'm the GM man, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.